All right, here we go with another epic Casio watch unboxing. This is actually the calculator watch, the classic Casio calculator watch. You see, I got my other watches up here on this display now. These are two Shark watches and the last Casio watch I just did, but back to the unboxing, I'll get to that later. So just like the other Casio watch I did the other day, it's nice packaging. The first time opening this up. Here we go. I really like how they package these, man. For like, dude, I paid like 23 bucks for this too. 23 bucks, all right? It's called the Data Bank watch, actually. When I said the calculator watch, the Casio Data Bank. Let's get this baby out. Wow. I got like it's like kind of like a neat, like army green color. How freaking cool is that? Casio Data Bank watch. I know that it actually doesn't have a light. These ones don't have a backlight. One thing I noticed about this green one is it has kind of like, the background is almost like the numbers. See, the numbers are like lighter and then the background is dark. So kind of like, see how that is actually, that one, the background is light, but the numbers are dark. These are both the opposite. But yeah, the background is light, but the numbers are dark. This is actually, the background is dark, but the numbers are light, which is cool. It's like a reverse. So I haven't messed with it yet. I mean, I don't even know what the buttons are. It looks like there's only like one button here. So I guess you just press this to get to the calculator mode. Press it again to the alarm mode. Stopwatch. And here's today. So I had to go to calculator mode, right? People say that you can't actually press the buttons, but they don't seem too tiny. I guess it would be with like my, see, I don't have it on my hand yet, or my wrist yet, but 8. If you know, you know. There you go. The calculator, or Casio Databank watch. I'm gonna put it with these babies at some point. I got my display, my watch display now. Maybe just do it now. Let's see, I'll take it off of here. So yeah, I always use it. I've been using a smartwatch, an Apple Watch, all this time. But lately I've gone back into liking these classic watches. There you go. So what do you guys think? There's nothing like the classics, man. Smartwatches are overrated. Hope you enjoyed this video. Check out some of my other videos. I got all different kind of stuff. Not just watches, that's for sure. All right, until the next one, I'll talk to you later.